shrimper. As long as it doesn't continue, we should be fine. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I think it might be the big one. Okay, everyone just hold on. Oh no, the second floor is collapsing. Oh no. Car 3, watch out. Oh no, if you have any secrets you haven't told your loved ones, now is the time. Oh no. Oh no, can this get any worse? Oh no, the subway train! Okay, I think it's all over. Oh no, the water main broke! That was earthquake, the big one. That simulated an 8.3 on the Richter scale. Awesome, right? It has been used for filming. It was used in Beverly Hills Cop 3, as well as an Okay, is everyone okay?
They're probably watching me. Well, let them see what kind of a person I am.
George, the police diver, is out in the water with another shark. Oh no. Oh no, George. Hey, George! Hey, there's a shark coming right for you! George! George, get to the pier! It's right there! George! Oh, no! George! Oh, if you took a photo of that, that's awful! All right. As long as we're behind the pier, we should be okay. Let's keep a lookout for that shark, though. Oh no. Oh no, is that gasoline going everywhere? Whoa! Yes, it is. Alright, keep a lookout for that shark. Oh no! I think he's going to boat! He's going to boat! That is our mechanical shark, Bruce. I saw a lot of you screaming. Don't worry, it's plastic. It's plastic, everyone. Our shark worked perfectly well for us just then. But when Steven Spielberg was filming the movie Jaws off the coast of Martha's Vineyard, they put their mechanical shark in the water, and he sank to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, prompting some to call the movie Flaws. Now here is Steven Spielberg